Very, very good. Turn to the right. Stay tight. Tricep on the left, push it down. That's it. Just turn a little bit this way. That's it. Keep your head forward. Now straighten that right arm out. So your right arm. That's it. Now look in the mirror and see what we're seeing. That's how you stand, right in the lineup. Keep that gut from control. Control your gut. Turn to the right. Tight. Stay tight. Don't poke your arms out. That's very good. Now try it. Now push on your triceps slightly. Now. Learn how to flex them bent. That's it. Right there. Good. Head down. A little bit more. Turn it to the right or left slightly. That's it. Turn to the right. Beautiful. All right, face forward. See a double bicep. Lat spread. Put your hands up on your hips more. Back there a little bit further back. That's it. Now good. Good. Very good. Up. Stand up. That's it. Side chest. Good. Bend it up a little bit. Bend your arm up a little bit. That's it. Don't worry about your abs so much, but you can put them in there if you want. But it's a side chest, so you can do. You're going to get a. So lift your pecs up, suck it in. That's it. Now squeeze on your pec. Yeah. That's it. Squeeze on it. There you go. Right. Hold it. Side tricep from there. Just push your arm down and do that like that. That's how we. That's right, like that. Lean down to me. That's it. Now turn around a little bit. Put that arm back there slightly. Yeah. Good. Good. Very good. Very good. Blow out in your abs like tighten up. Squeeze. Come on. Good. Turn around to the back. Double bicep from the rear. Thumbs in, wrist down, good. Bring your elbows back to me, not too much, just a little bit. Turn your head to the left or right slightly. Bring your elbows up higher, up. Bring them back to me now, up. That's it right there. Squeeze, tight, lat spread. Good job. Head down. Always keep your eyes straight ahead, not looking up at the ceiling. Remember that. Squeeze. Come on. Turn to the side chest. Half up, heel out to me. That's better. Stand up. Sleep. That's it. Good. Side chest from the side. Yes. Abs. Come on. Now it's abs. Ab time. Bring them abs in there. Good. Face forward. Actually, let's stay on the side. Let's stay on that side. Yeah, we're good. Let's start forward. Stand in the lineup. Let me stand there. Good. Okay, take a second. And we're going to do those shots that we practice. We'll run through that. Okay? That's what I want you to, when you get to the side, you do this, right? That, right? And swing it around which way you're going, either way. And then you go to the back, double bicep, bring it down, lat spread. Then swing around to the side, which direction. Go in that. Let's go clockwise. This way you can't fuck up. Yeah. Eyes straight ahead all the time. When you look up, look straight ahead. This way you'll keep your head in the right position. All right. Okay. So let's go through the double bicep in the front. Stand them up. Keep your legs straight. too much of a bend. That's it. Good. Just like that. Good. Now, swing. When we do a lat spread, very good. Side chest. Rolling. Up. Swing that. 1, 2, 3 here. Yes. Squeeze. Abs. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Arm up over the head. Flex. Squeeze. Squeeze. With that position, spin around as your arm is that way. Go to the other way. Go, 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 go. And back shot. Boom. We're going to clean that up, but it's going to look nice. Set your calf. Bring your calf back. That's right. Set it up. Squeeze. Lat spread. Good. Very nice. Swing around to the right. You're going to go right into a side chest. Bingo. Good. Just like that. Good. Very, very nice. Side ab shot. Then now go into this. That. Now, swing around forward as you're holding that position. Keep coming around and you're going to be down. Both arms are going to go here. Just come around into your ab with the leg out. Your abs out. Go out in your abs. Arms down like that. Good. Now, one arm up. Ab it. Put the other arm up. Ab it. Good. Then bring them both. Bring both your hands down and go like that. Don't change your leg position. On your hips. Hands on your hips. This. Hands over. Go like that. Now. More like this. Yes. Like that. Good. Abs. Good. Good. Very nice. From there, go right into this again. And then now muscle. Traps. Okay.